August 11th, and I am going to record Mattie's babies this morning. We have 3 that are 1 week old as of Wednesday, and 2 that are 1 week old as of yesterday. There we go. Everybody's sleeping right now. And you can see little one moving. You can see the other little one breathing. See that chest going up and down. It's just sleepy time. They're in a go pet tent type thing, and they are all sleeping. Mama's out in the other room right now. Misha's out in the other room right now. But yeah, that's the babies today. Not much action right now. Just sleeping. I can watch them all day. They are so beautiful. Okay. That's your morning view. I'll get them later when Mommy and Misha or whoever are with them.